Entrepreneurs constantly dream about leaving the workplace, living the easy life, and making money from home while they control their own time. But a dream without a plan is just a wish. So today I'm going to put some wheels on that dream, and that's why we're going to talk about the 5 profitable passive ways to earn income. Welcome back to Power Publish. My name is Calvin. This is the channel where entrepreneurs learn how to create wealth, influence, and power through content. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell because I make entrepreneurial videos like this every single week and you don't want to miss not a one. And if you want to know my #1 recommendation for earning a full-time passive income online, click the top link in the description and I'll get that information over to you right away. So, what is passive income? Passive income is money that you earn in a way that requires little to no daily or hourly work to maintain the consistency of that income. So instead of getting paid by the hour or trading time for money like a 9-to-5 job, you basically do something one time and you get paid over and over and over again. It is literally the definition of getting paid while you sleep. So why should you build passive income? Even if you love your job, I'm willing to bet that you wouldn't turn down some extra income on the side without having to put in blood, sweat, and tears and time commitment of getting another job with bosses and coworkers that you don't like. So here's some benefits to building passive income up. It increases your wealth building plan. It creates opportunity for early retirement, protects you from a complete loss of income if you were to lose your job. It provides an additional stream of income if you can't work, or maybe you want to outlive your retirement fund. Well, how much money can I make from passive income? Generally, you won't be rich overnight, so you can forget about get rich quick schemes. But if you're consistent, you can earn some serious money over the long haul. Depending on the income stream that you choose, we're talking about a few extra $1,000 a week to hundreds of thousands of dollars. And that's why I'm going to give you 5 passive income ideas right now. #1, start a blog today. I call these VREs, or virtual real estate empires. Blogs are incredible. You can actually get one started for less than $10 a month. It is the lowest barrier to entry to actually making money online. And you can blog from anywhere using pretty much any device. I use an iPhone. Sometimes I blog from my iPad. I have my laptop and I also have my desktop. They can produce income 24 hours, 7 days a week. The internet doesn't sleep. You can actually monetize your blog through affiliate money, through advertising. You can sell and make your own digital products or services, or you can do coaching or consulting. It is ridiculous. Some bloggers earn over $100,000 per month. If you want to know how to create your own blog, there's a link in the description that shows you how to do it in 7 easy steps. #2, create your own audio course and sell it on your own website, or create a video course and sell it on Udemy. Knowledge is power. If you take your intellectual property and you package it up, people will buy it from you. If they have a problem and you have a solution to that problem, they will pay you to solve it, period. In 2016, I knew the rideshare industry was going to be big, so I became an Uber driver, not just to drive, but to gather the information about what it would take to be a successful Uber business owner. So I took that information that I learned on the platform, I brought it to the internet in the form of The Simple Driver, to which I created a course that is 10 chapters, 3 hours of audio that I sell for $197. That course is not making me rich, but it has earned to date over $78,000. That's an example of audio, but what about video? In 2015, I knew that mirrorless cameras were going to be huge. They were going to start replacing DSLRs. So I bought a Sony a6000. And what I did was create a YouTube channel called Sony a6000 Review. Now that was 2015. I created a video talking about its low light capabilities, which as you can see right now has over 500,000 views, to which I sent that traffic to Amazon, where people were buying the camera. I was earning a commission through affiliate money and everything else they was putting in their cart within 24 hours. And I also created a course called the Sony a6000 and how to use it. I put it on Udemy. Now that didn't make me rich either, but it did earn me a couple $1,000s. And till this day, even though that camera is old, I still make about $60 a month. Hey, it's passive. Number 3, my personal favorite, YouTube. I love YouTube. YouTube, or you might as well call it your personal television station, which means you're the program director. You create the content that you want to create. People subscribe to your personal channel, to which you can monetize that traffic in all sorts of ways. There's only 4 ways to create content online: video, images, text, or audio, and video is the most powerful. It's the 2-for-1 auditory and visual sense. People respond better when they can see and hear at the same time. Did you know that 87% of all marketers use video as a marketing tool, and 79% of all internet traffic in 2018 came from video? You can earn money as a YouTube partner through the Google AdSense program, or you can just send people to affiliate links via description under the video, or you can tell them what website that you want them to go to, or you can become an influencer, build a tribe, and Fortune 100 and Fortune 500 companies will pay you a lot of money to have access to your subscriber base and your influence because they can track the analytics. Brands will cut the check. They will pay big money to access your followers and your influence. There are YouTubers out there on the platform who are earning millions of dollars with content that they created months ago or years ago, especially evergreen content like how to tie my scarf. Number 4, real estate. Not the virtual real estate like websites, but the brick and mortar stuff. Rental property can be a great source of extra income, but it's not the most passive choice, because unless you have someone managing those rental properties, you can trade a lot of time for money because you would have to deal with the tenants and maintenance yourself. Plus, you have to have the knowledge of how to buy real estate using your own money or someone else's money. You can actually start investing in real estate for as little as $500. And this is where crowdfunded real estate comes in with companies like Realty Shares, Peer Street, and Roofstock. What in the world is crowdfunded real estate? Well, I can tell you, but this is a digital world, so let's just go ahead and ask Google. What is crowdfunded real estate?
Real estate crowdfunding is an alternative source of funding for real estate projects. It pulls relatively small amounts of money from multiple investors in order to finance a property or portfolio of properties.
Regardless of where you are in your entrepreneurial journey, at some point, you are going to want to have some real estate in your portfolio, whether that's brick and mortar or whether that's virtual real estate in websites. Number 5, write a book, specifically a digital book. The power behind writing a book allows you to create authority. It allows you to tell a story, create a legacy, and make money while you do it. Plus, it's free to create an electronic book or an ebook. You don't have to worry about publishers or distributors or fighting for shelf space in a bookstore. You can actually distribute it and sell it on your own website. Or you could just take the ebook and put it on a platform like ClickBank and let master affiliate marketers sell it for you. The second option is to create a Kindle book and let Amazon do all the heavy lifting for you. I'm talking about creating a Word doc with about 7 to 10 chapters, an introduction, a call to action, some chapters inside of it, create a nice little book cover in a free software like Canva, upload it to the Kindle platform, and you can start raking in thousands of dollars as a Kindle publisher, because Amazon sells millions of books every single year. With a little promotion and Amazon's platform backing you, you can start raking in some serious passive income. You have some authors out there who are earning thousands of dollars a week, and they're nowhere near the New York bestsellers list, or they're nowhere near the level of a J.K. Rowling's, but it doesn't stop them from earning that money. There are at least 30 more passive income ideas, but in my personal opinion, these are the ones that will help you maximize your income with a low barrier to entry. So that's it. Those are my 5 profitable passive income ideas. So let me know in the comments which ones you might use. And if this video has inspired you to start your entrepreneurial journey, make sure you click the top link in the description. It is my #1 recommendation for earning a full-time passive income online. I look forward to seeing you at the top. My name is Calvin. I'm the creator of Power of Publish. Peace.